Hi, welcome. Solar panel design. From concept to installation on a budget. Are you interested in harnessing the power of solar energy to meet your energy needs? Join users in the video as we guide you towards the entire process of designing, implementing and installing solar panels from start to finish, from selecting the necessary software for design and simulation to extending and installing in real-world location. You are real learn it all here. Plus, we'll show you how to do it all on a budget, making solar energy accessible to everyone. Join us and start feeling the clean energy of the sun for yourself. As a very take care of yourself. Goodbye. Let's do it.